Welcome back everyone.
Namaste.
We are back from a long weekend's camping. Thought we'd do a really quick roundup of what we've got on the bike and then roll you into some of the footage from the weekend. So showing you up how we've packed up the Enfield and the Kawasaki ER5 Army motorbike. So let's have a look, see what we've got on board. Start with the Enfield. Got a 13 litre Alp Kit dry bag strapped to the panny frame that I showed in my last video, the frame that we made, sleeping bag in each one. Held on by green chili adventure strap, really happy with those. Under this big bag, just got a rolled up tarp that we put under the tent just to help keep the tent clean. Not a necessity, but it just makes life easier. A 40 litre Givi dry bag with a variety of things in, clothes, KJ's trainers, camp pot and bits and bats, towel, etc. Just essentials. We pack pretty light. On top we've got a Thermarest roll mat, just a foam roll mat. Both the bag and that are held on with some rock strap, which is similar to the green chili straps but different with buckles. I'll get into the details on those in another video. Just a body warmer strapped on here that I've not hardly needed to wear, but just so we've got it. On the tank, got the Krieger tank bag converter and a Krieger US5. Had this one for years now. In here, got a variety of tools. Got the tools I need to change, take my tyre on and off, and other bits and pieces to lube the tyre and odds and sods. Also a little tripod in here to accompany the camera bag that I just clip on with the carabiners and leave off to the side for easy access. Canon M50, which I'm filming on now, fits in here with a few little accessories that I carry on board. Then it's ready to roll as soon as I need it. Now on to KJ's Kawasaki.
Hi, so on my bike I've got a Vango Pulsar 300, a 3-man tent, my Thermarest mat. I've got my backpack with my miscellaneous girly stuff and 2 water bottles. Got my waterproof in case it rains or if I'm too cold and it's too windy. All this is held by bungee strap. They don't have hooks on the end, just plain straps, and this is a slide tight hook. More on these slide tight hooks, they're very versatile because you can adjust the length of the bungee cord and you don't have to worry about it once you have a particular length. Just get something longer, then you have as much as you need and more. On the front I've got a double-ended Alp Kit dry bag. If you need something from this side, you can just open this side. If you need something from that side, you can open that side. It's pretty handy. It's waterproof, and inside this are my waterproof trousers and also bike covers for both the bikes. In my ammo box panniers, I've got security locks, I've got disc locks, cable locks, and I've got zip ties and some electrical tape. They always come handy. And in this one I've got a tubeless puncture repair kit for my tubeless tires and an air compressor to blow the tires up.
This weekend's been a long time coming. We've had these bikes for a couple of years now, and it's the first time we've managed to escape on a camping trip. Only a long weekend, but really enjoyed it.
The weather was lovely. It was sunny all 3 days, and just like this, it was beautiful, very warm, and the bikes performed very well. No drama at all.
Before we roll some of the footage and let you see some of the beautiful English countryside, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more content on both the bikes. If you're new here, if you're not, you obviously know some of the stuff that we do. So enjoy the footage, roll in now and ride safe.